Now today's bento idea feels like you're eating a picnic. It's got everything kids love. It's got fruit, veggies, rolled up turkey and cheese for protein, keeping them full, some crackers. Let's get packing. Hi, welcome to MOMables. If you're new or if you've been around for years, I'm Laura and I am so excited that you are here. This entire month, I'm showcasing quick, no-cook, back-to-school bento ideas that you can whip up in about 5 minutes. And I'm also sharing with you the tricks of keeping those packed lunches fresh until lunchtime. So make sure to hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you'll be the first to know when I share the other quick lunch ideas. I have a compartmentalized lunch container here. You can use whichever one you like. This helps you keep everything separate so that the wet ingredients go in one compartment. And in this particular one, my wet ingredients are things like this cucumber, which I'm simply going to slice into slices. Cutting up things in small bite-sized pieces makes any lunch really easy to eat for kids because they're usually busy talking. Now these cucumbers I'm gonna place in the large compartment right here. I'm also gonna place some fresh berries. These are all moisture containing ingredients. So right here next to them, all mixed up like a good picnic. You have a little bit of everything. If packing lunches is a struggle for you, I also have this free printable lunchbox builder in the description box that's gonna help you build quick lunchboxes by mix and matching the ingredients that you already have on hand. The turkey, I'm simply taking some turkey slices and rolling it up, and I'm gonna cut them into a couple of pieces. It really depends on what brand turkey, shape and size you buy. And I'm just grabbing them like this and placing them in my container. Now there are many compartments. I'm simply gonna grab my cheese. I'm gonna place it in the smallest compartment, and then my crackers. Again, it's super important to keep the crackers separate, especially if you're gonna pack this ahead of time. And since the crackers are in a separate compartment, I can totally place the lid, refrigerate it overnight, and in the morning, all I have to do is take it out, place an ice pack in my lunch bag if you need it, and then the container plus the drink, you're gonna zip it up, and all you got is a ready to go lunch super fast. Don't leave yet, there's one more bento lunch idea for you that's also a breeze to pack. See you next time.